Hello friends, thank you for taking the time to stop by. I do have a Dollar General haul that I want to get into with you. And let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by. All right. And we're going to start with these beautiful little dainty little flowers. Now, each one of these little flowers were $1. And I just love the little colors in them. And then I bought this little canister that says utensils. And then when I saw this, they had the 3-piece canister set of coffee, sugar, and tea. And I will take those out to show you. Okay, so I just put these little flowers in there. Just real quick. And I ended up getting this as well. It was only $3. This is very well made, I think, for $3. And what I liked about it is not only, of course, you want to put pictures, but sometimes I get the little prayer cards from the Dollar Tree. And I figured you can add it in there and hang it up, DIY in it, or whatever the case. Whatever you want to do. But along with the blue, which I love for the summer, I did pick up this little cloth as well. It was $2 placemat, it says, but you can use it as a cloth, as a little napkin. I'll open it up to show you. It's quite big for a placemat. I love the colors on it for summer, spring. And then they had these little cute mugs, like happiness is homemade, like we need any more of those. And then this beautiful pitcher, it was $5. Love the little detail on that. So I did stick in this little lemon greenery. It's $3. I only got one though because I know that I do have other lemon greenery. And along with all that, I also picked up this basket tray. And that was $8. It was a little kind of tore a little bit here. It's okay. It's the only one I saw. So that's why I fixed it up with this little placemat. I love the little edges of it. And that's why I added the little mug and the pitcher in there. And speaking of baskets, which I love, they had this little basket with a leather strap, and it was $8. And these little flowers as well I bought from Dollar General. And this is what it looks like. I thought it was really cute. They just had the most adorable things for, I mean, they always do, but this time I was so in love with the blues and the little baskets they had. And I did pick up these as well. They were $1. And I never really seen a black one like this. Thought that those, you can't go wrong with those for $1. And I picked up more of my favorite here. So I picked up more of these little cute baskets. And this one was $1. Little decorative baskets. This is another one, $3. And this reminded me such Rae Dunn. It is a little plaque that says clean and dirty. And it was only $2. Love that. It is a good size. Something like this at Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby, I don't think would be $12. I did pick up this one. And it says $12. Look at it. Really nice for $12. So this is looking like the haul. And I do have other little pillows in another little basket, but I'm gonna take these out. So this is the little canisters. This is what they look like. There's the utensil one. So this is the other basket I picked up from Dollar General. And this one was $10 with the leather handle. How cute. Just love these baskets, I'm telling you. Okay, and these are the little jars just placed up on here. I don't think I'd put them over here. Okay, and along with Dollar General, I did pick up this wall shelf with little hooks. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay guys, so this is the little shelf. Really cute. It's not too big. This is what it looks like. I have a little basket. This could look cute like in a bathroom. So this is how this ended up looking at the moment. So I also picked up these little ruffly pillows at Dollar General. They were $10. Also picked up this pillow here. It was $10, guys. I love these for the summertime. Okay, and I also picked up this little lamp. I believe it was $12. And I got this $4 to put some greenery. I love that. And this, I got two of these. Look how cute these are. This was $3. Little candle holder. Really cute.